Hello all, welcome to the day 34 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Essel World is one of the India's largest amusement parks that offers a diverse range of thrilling rides, water attractions and entertainment options for visitors of all ages. The park is known for its iconic Water Kingdom section, making it a popular destination for family outings and fun-filled adventure. The ticket charges for the park are rupees 150 per child and 250 per adult. On a day, the cashier of the park found that 300 tickets were sold and an amount of rupees 55,000 was collected. Based on the above, answer the following questions. Question 1. If the number of children visited BX and the number of adults visited BY, then write the given situation algebraically. Now let's take down what the question has given to us. Price per child ticket is rupees 150 and price per adult ticket is rupees 250. And by the question's suggestion, number of children who visited the park is X and number of adults who visited the park is Y. On a day, 300 tickets have been sold, and this amounted to rupees 55,000. Based on number of tickets, the equation can be written as x plus y is equal to 300. Then second case is based on the amount collected, 150 per child ticket. So 150x gives the total amount for the child ticket plus 250 is the price per adult ticket. So 250y gives the total amount collected for the adults. So sum of these two gives us 55,000. These are the two equations. Subdivision 2, A part, how many children visited the amusement park that day? So that is, we have to take these two equations and solve them either by substitution method or elimination method. I go in for substitution method. Now from 1, y is equal to 300 minus x. And substituting this in equation 2, 150x plus 250 times, in place of y we put this 300 minus x, which is equal to 55,000. 150x plus 75,000 minus 250x is equal to 55,000 minus 100x is equal to minus 20,000. X is equal to 200. That is, the number of children who visited the park is equal to 200. B part of the second subdivision, how many adults visited the amusement park that day? To get that, let's take this equation x plus y, which is 300. So here 200 is x plus y is 300, y is 100. So number of adults visited the park is equal to 100. Question 3. How much amount will be collected if 250 children and 100 adults visited the amusement park? The equation with respect to the amount is 150x plus 250y. Here the number of children visited is 250 plus 250 times number of adults is 100, which is 37,500 plus 25,000, which is equal to rupees 62,500. So this is the amount collected if 250 children and 100 adults visited. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.